What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for yet another Icebreaker roller coaster construction update and a general park update. It's been a long time since we've been here. Let's head inside. And Christmas is all done. We still have decorations up. This will likely be our last tour of the park for 2020. Turnstiles are super busy, and it looks like there's going to be a little bit of a wait to get through the turnstiles. Busy, 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 but only a 5-minute wait to get through the turnstiles, and we are on our way. I love that the decorations are still up around the park. Looks great, even though Christmas has passed, and they'll be up for a little bit longer. SeaWorld store, and we usually check up on the pens. Let's see if 2021 has arrived. Here are the pens, and indeed, right at the very bottom, 2021. You can see it right there. Price, $9.99. In addition to the pen, we can see a bunch of other 2021 items. A magnet. The bags there, totes, shirt over here as we can see. And a shirt like this goes for, let's see, $25.99. And then on the other side, looks like a couple different colors, sizes, some bigger trinkets, shot glasses, picture frames. Of course they have some shamus, coffee mugs, ornaments, and the likes. Of course hoodies too. Of course, it's always neat to see our friends, the stilt walkers, out. Of course, one of the first things I want to do when I come to SeaWorld Orlando is check up on our pig chickens. If you want to do roller coasters during the busy holiday season, you're either going to need patience or a quick queue, because right now, 90 minutes is the wait for Manta. One thing to keep in mind if you are visiting, the bridge does close because of fireworks. Gotta love the sea of trees. Of course, the pathway over by Bayside Stadium is open with food, games, and more. There's ice skating throughout the day. And of course, we have Icebreaker right over there. And here's a closer look at Icebreaker. Don't see any workers on site, but we know that they have been there recently. Alright, there's the workers. Well, a bit of good news, as it looks like the fence line is in for the exit ramp. if you follow SeaWorld Orlando, you might have seen one of the recent posts with Santa in the train for Icebreaker. That was kind of cool. So it's about 3:35 and the call just went out for the 4 o'clock show. No more people. Just look at how packed it is. Mango Joe's, and one side is currently in operation for food. Over here for the main entrance for Icebreaker, still no sign. Hopefully soon. Awesome, look at that beyond vertical spike. We can see the proximity sensors up at the very top as well. These poles over here, still no netting, and I'm guessing that's what that is going to be for a little bit later on. The Glacier Bar is still popping, and if you have not gotten a drink here, highly recommend it. Great place.
Alligator.
With the pathway open for Bayside Stadium, we can get some awesome views of Icebreaker and go underneath it.
Why don't we go the other way so we can walk back a different way?
So yeah, some great views for the guests when it actually does start running. And this fence line is very close to the track. I mean, very close. I'm not an engineer, but I kind of want to have a clearance check. Over here at the Bayside Stadium walkway, we can see all sorts of markings on the ground, and this is for the fireworks. Social distancing. Sky Tower, and it's been closed for quite a while. Still is today, as we can see right there on the sign. Hopefully, sometime in 2021. We'll see. Mako! You can see it running right there. Currently has a 90-minute wait. That's a little much for me today. Maybe another time. Infinity Falls, and unfortunately not in operation today. But I don't blame them. A little bit of Florida winter recently. If you like Christmas lights, get your fix now. Only a couple more days. Alright, so now we're in the store over by Mako, and we can see the 2021 pen right there. And there's another one, past member exclusive, as we can see right there. Price for this one, $11.99. Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Icebreaker construction. And as we saw, some crew members were on site. The fence line for the exit is now up. And hopefully, we'll have some of the contractors back on site like Premier Rides so we can begin testing again. Of course, SeaWorld's Christmas celebration is going on for just a little bit longer. We do have some New Year's Eve fireworks going on. And fireworks are actually happening tonight, but I'm not going to stick around for another 4 hours. But the park is open until 1 a.m. on New Year's Eve. Of course, we're going to have more updates from here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.